As you can see, the squirrels have been very busy here. Into the woods. A little bit of fall color coming. Look out there right in the center, you can start making out the ravine. Last time I was out here, it's probably like late winter, early spring, and they done a controlled burn. And here's some of the remnant of that. It's raining a little bit, but thankfully the canopy's fairly heavy here. I don't spend enough time videoing the canopy. There's a raindrop. Well, there's something we don't see enough of in the Calumet region, a proper path into a winding valley. That's Thorn Creek down there. We'll go say hi to that and proceed into the valley, my friends. What's up, friends? Sam loving the Calumet Wilderness. I don't look shady at all out here. I'm in the Thorn Creek Trail of the Forest Preserves of Cook County, which, if you are from around here, you know has a reputation for having a bunch of weirdos and perverts hanging out. But I have not seen any today, thankfully. Thorn Creek here. And you can see it's starting to rain a little more heavy. Most of the creek is really narrow and pretty shallow. And north of here, unfortunately, a lot of litter. Probably the most litter I saw of any of the places I hiked when I was doing my Calumet Wilderness walking project. But I just fell in love with this trail. It's about 10 miles. You start around between Park Forest and South Chicago Heights, and then it goes up past Glenwood. And you just get these unique river valley views that you just don't find anywhere else here in the Calumet region. Well, the goal is to just walk around the Sauk Trail Lake, which is actually Thorn Creek dammed up. It's like 2 miles from where I parked. Let's hopefully see a little fall color. And yeah, hey, it's pretty out here. I traded in traffic for the sound of rain, so I'm going to be quiet here and let you enjoy this for a little bit. I suppose we can get a little bit of sense of what the land was like here. Look at that rain. All right, I gotta get in. I feel like a total sucker out here on 26th Street out in the open getting wet.